Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Abu Dhabi fuel truck blast. Today, that is 17th January 2022, 3 fuel trucks exploded in the industrial Musafah area near storage facilities of oil firm Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, that is ADNOC. The place is situated also near to Abu Dhabi airport. In the incident, 3 people were killed and 6 others wounded. As per state news agency, those killed were 2 Indians and a Pakistani. Yemen's Iran-aligned Houthis group claimed the responsibility and said it was an attack deep inside the United Arab Emirates. Now moving on to previous such incidents, the Houthi movement, which is battling a Saudi-led coalition that includes the UAE, has frequently launched cross-border missile and drone attacks on Saudi Arabia, but has claimed few such attacks on the UAE, mostly denied by Emirati authorities. In December 2017, the Houthis said they fired a cruise missile towards a nuclear power plant in Abu Dhabi, which Emirati authorities denied. In July 2018, the UAE denied reports that the Houthis attacked Abu Dhabi airport with a drone. A month later, Dubai International Airport said it was operating as normal after Houthi-run media said the group launched a drone attack there. Now moving on to the background, the Houthis ousted the internationally recognized government from the capital Sana'a in late 2014. The UAE had largely scaled down its military presence in Yemen in 2019 amid a military stalemate and heightened regional tensions with Iran, but continues to hold sway through Yemeni forces it armed and trained. Pro-coalition forces backed by the UAE recently joined fighting against the Houthis in Yemen's energy-producing regions of Shabwa and Marib. Now let's discuss about Indians in UAE. Indians are the largest ethnic group in UAE with an expatriate community of around 3.5 million. Indians account for nearly 30% of the country's population and approximately constitute 15% of the diaspora is in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi according to the Indian Embassy in UAE. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.